Beautiful, beautiful city. Welcome back to the channel. This is where we're fishing today. Beautiful, beautiful St. Augustine. This is the St. Augustine seawall, and there's gonna be more to come. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We are in Vilano Beach. This is the Vilano Beach boat ramp. I'm waiting on Brett. He's not here yet. I'm early. Just cruise around. It's stuff that I've fished before, but Brett hasn't fished. He's from Jacksonville. So we're gonna go around St. Augustine, and we're really not sure where we're gonna go. So we don't know where we're gonna end up, but our target species are redfish, flounder, trout. That's what we're going after. We're gonna try to get some bait. So bait shack right here in Vilano boat ramp. Mud minnows, blue crab, live shrimp, fiddler crabs. They'll sell us some live shrimp. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some live shrimp just in case. We're gonna be trying artificials today mostly, but if they don't eat that artificial, I wanna make sure I've got something just in case. And they've got bait, so we're gonna check it out. What's up? Can I please have 2 dozen? Liveys. These are lively. They've even got batteries here. Check this out. You know how many times you go on the boat ramp and you just engine won't start? That's me. I've done this. That's cool. See you later, guys. We're doing the best we can with what we got. We've got 2 dozen live shrimp. We're gonna use paddle tails. We're gonna use curly tails. And I got some top water tied on. We might try some top water right here as the sun is rising. All right, Brett's here. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're cruising out. Redfish, beware. Coming for you. I'm gonna toss out a live shrimp on this jig head. That's what I'm gonna do. Pinch the tail off. That looks sweet right there, man. That's beautiful. Misty morning. I just got robbed. Oh,
did you? You got you one?
Got me something.
All right, breaks the ice.
Look at that. Look at this monster.
What is it? I gotta get a picture of that. Hold on.
Wow.
What is that? That's a goby.
Look at that.
It's a goby. Here, hold it.
Isn't that awesome? Look at that. This is the catch of the day right here.
That's awesome, dude.
Wow.
I'm gonna shoot him to you right now.
He ate that giant.
Shoot him to you right now.
Dude, he's gill. Oh man, yeah, he's a goner. They went all the way through. Look at that.
Might be able to save him. He's all right. He'll live.
He'll live,
yeah.
Wow, that's a first for me.
I like it.
I didn't even know what it was.
Hungry, man.
I thought that was like a reef fish.
It is.
I was doing way up here. He's on it. He's on. He's on. Brett's on. Come on. As soon as we came around the bend, told him this is where the redfish hang out. We don't have a net, so I don't know how to.
It's small.
Okay, but it's a redfish. I told you, man. On the paddle tail. That's a good size red, dude. That might be keeping. No, maybe a 17. Okay. You want me to grab him?
Oh, I had him.
Oh, he came off.
It's all right. He was little.
He was undersized. Nice job, dude. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Well done. He's on.
There you go. There we go.
There we go, buddy.
He's coming to me. Oh, he's swimming under the boat.
Watch the motor.
Oh man, it's a jack.
You got jacked.
I got jacked. Yep.
All right.
Jack or ball, he's grunting. Say hi to the people. Good. It's here. He's on? He's on! Yeah! Oh, it's a good one. God, we need a net, man. He's on. He's on. Here we go. Fish on. Fish on.
Jack.
It might be. It's another red. Another red on the paddle tail. All right, this one we're gonna land. I'm gonna make sure we land this one. I don't know. I don't know. It's a keeper. Let me help. Are you gonna flip him? I wouldn't flip that guy. Oh God. You got fish grips? Here, give me that. Give me that.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
We'll see the finesse. Oh, he's not done. He's gonna be very feisty when you flip him in here.
Yep. There he goes. Sorry.
He's in. He's in the boat.
Well done. Here, let me put my bail. All right. Beautiful.
Yeah, man. We got it. Brett, man, he's on it. Psh. Look what he's using for bait, guys. Look what he's using. What is that anyway?
It's a butt kicker.
It's the Fishbites butt kicker.
Yeah, haymaker.
The haymaker.
Yep.
On a chartreuse jig head?
Yep.
Is that
it's a 1/8, so it's super light. So I'm just bouncing it with the current back. So
bouncing it with the current.
and then we'll use it again, as you can see.
Send it out again. He's on, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Fire. Oh, I got something.
You got it.
What is it, a ladyfish?
Yep.
Or is it a Spanish? What do I get? Oh, it's a lady. Lady. Whoa, whoa.
Crap in my boat, man.
Yeah. Well, here. We'll keep it over here.
Got pliers?
No crappers. Yeah, I got them.
Yeah, here. Okay. They always do. Just bring them to the boat.
There's a lady. See you later, lady. Yeah, guys, we're on an outgoing tide. It is early morning. It's starting to heat up too. Starting to feel that heat.
What do you think? You want to roll around the back?
I've never been back that far. I couldn't tell you.
That left side?
I couldn't tell you. You'd have to.
I don't see any movement over there whatsoever. I think we're better off right here.
It's safer to be right here. The water going out. There we go.
Smoker!
Smoke and drag.
Smoker!
Set that hook. There we go. He's swimming to me.
That's a good one, man.
Yeah, we got us a good one. He's swimming right to me.
Well done, Sandman.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice red.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty. Make sure my camera's not. Is he leadered? We got him. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Look at that. He matches the boat.
He does, man. I'm gonna set this down. Check this guy out, guys. Look at this redfish. This is a beauty.
Done, brother.
I wonder how big it is. How big do you think it is? Take a guess.
I'm guessing probably 17 or 18, maybe 19, in that range. Oh, you want to see? Hold
Let's
on.
see. Oh, he's
Fish.
yeah.
Drop him on there.
You were nailed it. Yeah, a little 19 and a quarter. Thanks. Hey, 19 and a quarter. That's a good keeper. We're gonna let him go though today, but
On the butt kicker.
on the butt kicker.
Yeah.
Right in the mouth too.
Got him.
I might have to get my pliers
Here,
for
I
that.
got it.
You got it? Oh, got him.
You want me to release him?
Yeah, go ahead. We're gonna safely release this guy. Whoa! Or
Safely release.
all right, let's try that again.
There he goes.
Okay. He's alive.
Look out.
Whoa! Whoa! My camera almost launched. Jesus! Woo!
Did it crap?
No, we're good. You're good. We're good. He's still jumping. Yeah, I pooped all over the place, man. Almost kicked my camera all the way off the boat. That's a big lady. He's still fighting his lady. Dude, that was insane. I don't know if I got it on camera, but he kicked my camera all the way. Oh, whoa, whoa. She's a lady. Yeah, let me see this plug. Oh, wow, skipjack.
There you go.
Look at that. Oh, it's very sparkly.
Oh, it's pearl. It's
Pearl?
Yep.
Who makes that one?
Oh,
Kiss my fish.
Chub and pearl.
Chub and pearl. I've got that one too. It's just in my
You got man.
yeah. We did it. Haha, we got the flatty. We got it. On the butt kick. Oh, he's gone. And just like that, gone. We don't have a net, so always got a boat flip. But it came right off.
We gotta get a net.
Well, we're not keeping fish anyway, but that is exactly what we wanted. We're at 6 species of fish. We got flounder adds to the list.
Where there's one, there's two.
Oh, got something.
Man, you got a flatty.
Yeah, another flounder.
Yep. You wanna flip him? Oh, that's a good one too. Don't lose it. Oh my.
Look at that guy.
Dude, man.
We just caught a flounder. Let's see where we're at. 15 and a half. That's keeping. It's got to be 14 to keep in the state of Florida. But we'll get this guy back.
There we go.
Nice. Oh, I'm on again. I'm on again. It's swimming like a... Oh, it's a mangrove. Is this the keeper?
Flip it in.
Is this our keeper mangrove? No, they got to be 10 inches. What's this guy? I'll measure this guy just to see. They close their mouth like this. You can just thump them on the head like this. Opens right up. There we go.
Sweet.
Let's see what we got here.
He ain't gonna go.
No, he's sorry, he's shy. Little baby guy. Go get bigger. Okay, right here by the old fort, Castillo de San Marco. Little piece of shrimp. Another mangrove. Mangrove snapper. These guys got teeth too. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. But see these like vampire teeth. So don't stick your finger in the Don't stick your finger. Don't stick your finger in the fanger. That's what I meant to say. Don't stick your finger in the fanger. Oh, Brett's on. Brett's on. Got a good one. Got a good one.
A good one.
Oh, it's a good flatty.
He's a little baby.
Oh
Jacked him out of there. You got him
my gosh.
Here, you want him?
You're hitting it like it was a tarpon. Look at that thing. There you go. You got your flounder, man.
Yep.
You did it. You got his flounder. Yep. See you later. All right.
Fine, bro.
Right by the fort. Here we are. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for coming on that adventure with us. Captain Brett Warren took us out today. Well, apparently I limited out on flounder if I wanted to, and because you can keep what, five per person. We got some big redfish.
Yeah, a couple of slot reds.
Couple slot reds.
Yep.
Caught a what's a goby?
little baby goby, yeah.
A baby goby?
2 slot reds and 1 small red, so that's 3 reds.
That's a pretty decent day of fishing if you ask me. Thanks for coming along. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Or give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Keep it reeling. We'll see you next time.
There were crocodiles around here.
Brett just spotted a crocodile. I don't know if you can look very close. He's right there on the point. You see that crocodile?
It's a croc. Can't believe it.
Wow. It's right there. Crocodile. Right here, yeah, right there. God dang.
Sail, sail away with